Alright, let's fucking go, we don't got much time. So in the system index, we have added another system in the systems whatever, it's called tile hit, and it is a hit test utility. Then in the type index, we have a new type, HM3, it stands for hit mask, of which there are 3 layers. In the top level types, we have added a new constructor for hit test 3, HM3, new HM3. This is 32 zeros in a row, and then this is our type, HM3, and a lax comma hack, and then we have the 3 members, right? We have the hit test mask for geometry, hit test mask for bombs, hit test mask for FATA. We're going to seal the object, return the object. Okay, let's go down to the next section. So in the top level variables, we have a reusable object for player hit testing, a reusable object for fractal filling. Okay, let's go down to the next section. In const macros by system, we've stubbed in the tile hit constants. In the data by system section, we have stubbed in the tile hit data. And then right here, top level assertions is a new section beneath function boilerplate. We have an assertion function to assert something is a tile size exponent. Here's the input, here's the traceback message, and then log the traceback message, throw an error if we're not within the correct bounds. Okay, an assertion for GTX and tile size exponent goes in, and this is our traceback message. And here we are calculating the global max index. We're exponentiating 1 by this tile size exponent divided by 960 and minusing 1 to get the correct global max index. Bounds check. Log the message. If we're out of bounds, throw an error. Okay, GTY is the same idea, except it's the y-axis rather than the x-axis. GTY and tile size exponent go in, and then this is our error message, and we're going to calculate the maximum upper bound, and then if we're not between the lower and upper bound, we're going to log this traceback message here, throw an error, and then down here in tile hit, we've stubbed in this function section, and this is our function. We're going to take this 3-dimensional coordinate and these hit test masks and figure out if we are colliding with geometry, if our tile. Is our tile colliding with geometry according to the rules inside of here? We have a summary about what this function does, and then if error checking is on, we're going to bounds check tile size, GTX, and GTY, and then we also want to make sure that our reusable hit test mask is either the fractal bucket or the play hit mask. Otherwise, we're going to throw an error, and then right here, we'll do the rest of the logic in another video. We are out of fucking time. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine.